2017 Nissan Juke rear license plate bulb or tag bulb, whatever you want to call it. I got the SV, and right here I got a light that's out. Sometimes you could kind of smack this and get them to work for a little longer, or make them go out like I just did. But I'm going to be replacing both bulbs. Got two bulbs, so let's go ahead and get started. So on right here on this side, and on this one on this side, there's a little plastic little spring. And what I do is you get yourself a flathead, and you just want to kind of get underneath here and push, and then push down, and you're releasing the tension on that spring, and then you're pushing it down. Once you have this out, you're going to twist this to unlock it and then pull it out. What you're pulling out is the socket, and it'll have the bulb in it like that. And then here's our little mini bulb. It's a 194 bulb number. Pull this guy out, and then we'll go get a new one. These ones are burnt out. They burn out over time. It happens. Everyone gets burnt out. So come over here on this side. It's very important you go to the correct side. Oh, sorry, don't do that. Don't stab your buddy in the eye. Push this down right here. It's important you do the right side because the other side doesn't have a spring. And then we'll twist this. Same thing, just unlock, hit the socket, pull the bulb out, get this guy out. It's also a 194 bulb. I'm going to put a link to these on Amazon. It's a 194. You don't got to get a box like this. You can just get like one or two on Amazon. I'm going to link it. So check that out. That helps me out. And then we'll put the little bulbs in here. Just push them in. They only go in one way. You could test them out if you want before you put it all back together, but be careful because they get real hot. Put this on, and then you kind of just put the socket in, kind of rotate it back and forth until the little notches fall into place, and then you'll turn it to lock it. I believe you'll turn it to the right to lock it into place. And then you dip in the socket side first, like over here, and then you just push the other side in, and it should clip into place. Hopefully nothing broke on you. Same over here. Same thing, just dip that socket side in first and then push it up right here. Boom, that's it. So now let's go ahead and test them out, make sure they're working. Turn your headlights on. Now they work. Awesome, cool. So hope this video helped you out. Check the link check the comments and description for links. Thanks for watching, guys. So I wanted to say about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.